So we're excited to be here at Escandon Elementary School celebrating our veterans. We're fortunate for all that our veterans have done for us, and with great gratitude, we say thank you to all of our veterans for all the freedoms that we sometimes take for granted as Americans, being the greatest country in the world. And it's these brave men and women that make all these freedoms possible. And that's what today was about at Escandon, to come together as a staff and a student body to celebrate the very important veterans that we have in our community. And it was a wonderful event. The kids did a great job. The staff did a great job putting this together.